Hey guys, it's Debbie and I'm going to be working on a fun pour painting today. I am just going to use a strainer. Like you've seen a few of these, but anyways, I had to give it a shot. I had to at least try it. So, whoops, earthquake. Not really, it's Florida. Hopefully not. Anyways, earthquake was me. Anyways, I just had to give this a shot and see what I can do just for the fun of it. So a couple of my colors are just leftovers just for fun. And I am using a record that all I've done is put a coating of white paint on it. So everything's really ready to go. This only should take a few seconds after this. I'm going to pull you down. Okay. So I'm going to put this in the middle. I could see where the middle was at before, much easier. So I guess I shouldn't have taken it off. I had it there a minute ago. That's pretty close. Not that I think you need to do it that way. Actually put it on a turntable. If you want, I can show you the turntable when I'm done. I kind of got it centered on there. It's just one of those cheap little plastic turntables that I've set it on. So I just thought this would be fun. So this is why I'm giving it a shot. So anyways, let's you know what I want to do? Let's, instead of doing it that way, let's put it in a cup. That's how we'll get a cup going. I don't think I need one that big. Alright, so we already got black on there. I guess I'll go with red. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter, does it? Okay, so changing my mind constantly, right? Now, let's do black in between everything. See how that works at the end here. Well, it'll be at the beginning, really. Blue and black. Kind of dark. Let's do white. Kind of about, take that off of there. About running out. I reused these cups. They had paint. Some of them had kind of dried in it. I just hate wasting so much. My garbage in here is just full of, stuff anytime you do, well, painting period, but. Okay. Running out now, so I'm just using what I got left. Sorry, I just leave my stir fork in there. Oh, I think I saw a chunk go in. Oh well, it is what it is. Come on. Is there any blue left in there? A little bit. Kind of dripping there. All right. This is a good way to use up some of your colors if you have an interest in this. So, I'm going to try to, I should have chose maybe one that would be a little easier to bend. Nah, I think I'll do it this. A lot of that yellow's coming out. Glad it's going way out there. All the stuff is in the bottom. Where's all the other color? Oh, man. And looks like you can kind of see it's a little bit off-sided here. Hopefully it's going to come out right now. Okay, here we go. We got some blue coming. Blue, yay! I know I had a little bit more of the yellow, but I didn't know I had that much more. Here comes the red. Wish I had a little more red to throw in there. I think I can. Boy, that yellow really took over. Crazy me, it's right at the edge here. The paint. Move that over a little bit. And wipe that up before I have a lap full. Look at all the other color in there that you can't see. Oh well. That is how it works with pour paintings, isn't it? Oh, I kind of dripped on there. Oh well. I think I would like to just put a little bit of color there so it doesn't look so bright in the middle there. I could give it a torch. There is a tiny bit of silicone in these paints, but some of them don't even have it in it. So, and on my guess that would be enough torching, huh? Alright. I think I'm going to take just the end of one of my paintbrushes. Looking for a pointy end. I'm going to like draw some of this into here. That paint is on there thick. Maybe we need to draw some out because it's not going in so well. Let's see how that works. I just wanted to see a little more other color in the middle. And that's not doing what I'd like it to do. I think I might want to leave it alone a little bit, huh? I'm gonna torch that. Since it had popped, so bubbles came out on the end, I thought it might do it there too, but it didn't. So, what do you guys think? Okay, so anyways, I said I would show you that. It's just a cheap turntable underneath there. And I have a I think I'm just going to leave this alone. I just thought it would be kind of cool. Kind of reminds me of a kind of something from back in the hippie days. Oh well, guys. I really thank you for stopping by, and hopefully you like this. Bye.